I'm originally from St. Louis. I went to high school in St. Louis. I went to college at the University of Missouri-Columbia. I graduated from law school from the University of Missouri-Columbia in 2001. From there, I moved to Kansas City, where I've lived for the last 20 years. I have 3 kids ranging from the ages of 11 to 15, and I coach basketball, where I've coached for the last 8 years, and I do basketball clinics as well. I am married. My wife is a pediatric nurse at Children's Mercy Hospital, where she has worked for the last 20 years. I decided to become a personal injury attorney because in my early years of practice, I represented corporations. I represented insurance companies on a multi-state region, and it was not very fulfilling. They were not very grateful, and no adjuster ever gave me a hug for telling me, hey, you did a great job. And when I had the opportunity, I represented individuals. And after doing what I did for so long, it changed my practice. It's so fulfilling, and you can truly make a change in people's lives. The most important thing for someone to know who has been in an accident is to not go at it on their own. And the reason for that is insurance companies do not want to pay. They're just worried about the bottom line. And once you reach out to the insurance company and you do certain things, we cannot unring that bell. And it's not about being greedy. It's not about taking advantage of anybody. It is about getting what's fair and being reimbursed for the damage that you've suffered. And we're here to help you with that. One of the most memorable cases I've had in my practice involved a young lady who was in a bad way in life. She was in an accident that she was injured severely. There was no insurance, at least it appeared that way. We did not think she was going to get a recovery, nor did anybody else. We actually got her a substantial recovery. And I remember her and her mom in the waiting room, and I went through their settlement with them, and they broke down in tears and hugged me. And 9 months later, that same young lady sent me an email with pictures of a modest house she purchased, a modest car that she was able to purchase, telling me how it impacted and transformed basically her entire life. And that's, for someone that does what I do, you can't ask for anything more than that. That's as good as it gets.